in the set position. Away they go. Woods of Trinidad and Tobago got up well in lane number 3. On the outside in lane number 7, that's Zachary Wallace, the 45.77 man, ranging on the shoulders of Eastern of Guyana. As they head down the backstretch, Austin yet to push at this point in time. Woods left back in the crowd. The Bahamian Zion Davis in the mix as well. Under 200 meters to run. And it is Wallace of Jamaica, Austin of Guyana, as well as Eastern of Guyana. But on the inside, Zion Davis of Bahamas. We spoke about the Zions. It was a Zion Miller who won last year. Zion Davis leads. Woods trying to come forward. Matheson trying to come forward as well. Austin is coming forward again. He'll not be denied in 2026. Austin wins it ahead of Zion Davis of the Bahamas and Jabari Matheson of Jamaica. 45.94 the flash time. You wonder if it was going to be deja vu again for Malachi Austin, with Zion Davis of the Bahamas on the inside, almost proving to be the spoiler.
Should get the times on the screen momentarily.
So 340, that's Malachi Austin. Upgrades from silver that he won last year to gold in 2026. And the Guyanese prevail in the under 20 section. Tiana Springer in the girls and Malachi Austin in the boys. But brilliant running as well from Zion Davis, Terry of the Bahamas. Set the pace coming into the home stretch off the curve and told Austin, I'm not going to give you this one too easily.
You did warn about the danger of Zion's coming from the Bahamas. Excellent run.